Hello everyone around the world, hope you have a lovely day. So today we have something to fix. We have this mixer amplifier. Oh, it's quite heavy. We have this mixer amplifier that came in for repair. It's coming from a very big company, recording company, from a studio. So this is the Ellies DPA60B mixer amplifier that came in for repair. The mixer looks like this. We have some control thing and the big switch here. So what I will do without wasting time, I can't even place this on top of my desk. How am I going to fix this? AC. Let's check the AC voltage from the cable. Maybe you can spot something. We have the AC cable here, which is already plugged on power. Check on the screen here. We have 232 volts. So the AC cable is working fine. So plug in the AC here and pressing the switch button here. We can't see anything like light. I'm sure there must be lights here because we have some LEDs in series here. We must have some lights or something which shows that this thing is alive. Here we have for power on LED here, which indicates but this LED is off. So what can be fault on this one? If I check here, you can't see, but you check inside the AC in here, there's something. We have some burn marks inside. Here is meant to be a fuse. So what I'll do, I'll take out this. And the fuse is missing. There is some kind of burn here. This thing just blown up maybe due to high voltage. So I will say, let's get inside and see how we can fix this. So that the inside of any mixer amplifier, this looks like an industrial amplifier. Based on what I'm seeing here, we have the main transformer, we have another transformer here, we have the AC in with these two red wires which is going to the switch and to this transformer, and this transformer is stepping down some voltage. This is some kind of linear power supply, so the chances of fixing this one is very high. So after the big transformer, we have the rectifier here. You see this box, that's the rectifier bridge, which is changing AC to DC, and we have some big capacitors and the regulators on the outputs. So if it's not powering on, what I've seen here, you can see here, something is blown. Here is meant to be a fuse. And I'll show you, if I can show you, I think I can show you under microscope. Check what is here. You see? This is meant to have a fuse. You can see it's written here, use only 250 volts fuse. And something happened here. And the fuse is even, I can't even see the sign of the fuse. I can't even see the fuse. The fuse is just blown up. So let's check some things. What I want to check on this rectifier. Yellow to yellow, this is the resistance of the transformer. I don't think it's a short. Red to yellow, and then blue to yellow, blue to yellow. So the rectifier seems to be okay. Here neutral, I'm checking the continuity from the external connector to the live. This is okay. And the other one is not beeping because of a blown up fuse. So how we can modify this? I think our problem is only the fuse. Let me look for a fuse and see how best we can modify this. We have a fuse here. This is a 250 volts, 13 amps. 250, 13 amps. I think that's the kind of fuse we are looking for. So how we can put this fuse? We need to put a fuse here. Let's improvise this fuse. So I'm sure it is fuse only this time. You know, on the input of every circuit, on many electronics, they are putting fuse just to protect the circuit. In case of anything happen, the fuse will blown up. Like in this case, the fuse is blown up just to protect the circuit. And I'm sure we must be able to fix this amplifier. Now we are now modifying this. So if you are in electronics, do whatever you can do to fix something. That's my belief. That's my belief. You have to do anything to fix something. Okay. I'm putting this fuse between the live and the wire which is going to the switch, because the high voltage is not passing through this phase because the fuse was blown up. So I think it is the fuse this time. I think it is the fuse this time. This looks like an original mixer. I never fixed something like this. It's my first time to fix this, but I'm sure we're not going to have some disappointments. So now we need to make these wires shorter. I think we need to make these wires shorter. Yeah. If there's something wrong, this fuse is also going to blow up. So if there's something behind this, this fuse will blow up. But if everything's okay, I'm sure we have a working mixer again. So now, how can I do it here? How can I do it? How can I fix this? The problem, the item is very big. Okay. Where's our fuse? Okay. Okay, here. It was very easy just to bypass this fuse with a wire, but I think it's good just to put back the fuse so that you continue to have protection. I think it's good. Go to put back the fuse. In case of anything happen, the fuse will blow up again. Rather than to bypass the fuse with a wire. I know even if you bypass with a wire, it will still work, but there will be no more protection again. So just want to do things in a different way today. So that's what we have done here. Okay. I'll put it back. And now, what do we need? We need Mr. Hot Glue to stick everything. Or should we test? I think it's good to test. Now it's off. Let's test to see. Let's test to see if we've done something good here. So let's see. Same cable. Yeah. Testing the cable again. AC 234 volts. Yeah, it's off. You can see here, it's off. What I want to do, I want to plug in the cable and let's press the switch button, and it's working. Huh? You see? It's working. You see the blue light? So that was just a fuse. Huh? This one, the fuse was blown up, and we improvised with our own fuse. In case of anything happen, we still have a protection on this circuit, because we put another fuse but in a different way, because this fuse is meant to be inside this black plastic thing, which was blown up. You see? So we now have a working off. It's now off, on. See all the LEDs, and it's working fine. So yeah, let me power it off. Now it's off. Now what we need to do, we need to put some hot glue so that nothing will move here. Let's insulate what we've done with hot glue. And we have put a bigger wire which can carry 13 amps. That's the other advantage. We put enough wire to carry such kind of high amperage, 13 amps. So if we have this kind of industrial mixer amplifier, first check the fuse. The fuse, when the fuse is blown up, the voltage is not going to the motherboard, to the wall circuit, and you can't power on the amplifier. This is just a simple circuit. We have the AC in. After the AC, we have the big transformer. This is a linear transformer. We have this box thing under these wires. You see this box thing? This is a bridge rectifier. That's the bridge rectifier for this linear power supply. And after the rectifier, we have these two big capacitors, which are 4,700 microfarads and 50 volts. After the capacitors, we have some regulators for the various circuits. I'm sure that's all what we have here. So testing again one more time. On, is on, and is still remaining on. So what I would do, I'll stop this video now. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. Also share our videos to your beloved friends and relatives, and see you on the next one. Bye.